how to use Gemini. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can use Gemini, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to use Gemini, it's actually quite very simple to do so. You can go to gemini.google.com, which is the website, or you can download the Gemini app on both your Android and iPhone. Now Gemini is a chatbot, but on the free version it is more than a chatbot too, so it can also analyze images for you. It can't generate unless you have got premium or the subscriptions from Google, but it can definitely analyze an image. But unlike ChatGPT where you need premium to even upload a file, Gemini does not need it. So one way that you can use it is you can actually use it as a normal text bot, so you can ask questions and it will extract the data for you. Second is, if you want to analyze image, you can see I asked it to analyze this particular thumbnail I made for my video, and then it sent me the image you sent is an advertisement for Spotify Premium. It highlights the benefits of Spotify Premium along with the steps to do what was mentioned in this particular thumbnail, right? So this is actually pretty much advanced in this case. If you want to try out Gemini Advanced, which is much more accurate, then you can click on try Gemini Advanced, or you can click on the new chat option here if you want to open a new chat. And also it keeps a prompt and a history of everything that you have talked on Gemini with before, right? So here you should be able to see all of the things that Gemini has for you. So I hope that this video helped you as to how you can use Gemini. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.